Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the League of Legends is not launching or unable to start on your PC. So I will show you the 5 effective solution to fix this problem, so make sure you watch this entire video. First you just need to right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager. Now here you just need to search for the League of Legends or the Riot client. So just keep scrolling down until you find this and just simply right click on that and click on the end task. So once you close the background task of the League of Legends or the Riot client, just restart the League of Legends game and see your problem is fixed or not. And if not, right click on your League of Legends launcher, go to properties, go to the compatibility tab and check this box out there run the program in compatibility mode and choose the Windows 8 and disable full screen optimization and run as administrator. So guys, these are the very important settings that you need to apply to fix this problem. After that, just apply the setting and just restart your PC. After the restart, see your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is not fixed, then you can go with the next solution. So you can go to the Windows tab where the services and now open it. Now here guys, you just need to search for the service name VGC. So keep scrolling down until you find it. So now from here, right click on the service, simply go to its properties and choose the startup type to automatic. So this is the very important to choose the startup type and simply apply this, click on the stop and then simply start the service. So guys, once you start the service, you just need to restart your PC and after the restart, the majority of the problem is fixed. And if your problem is not fixed, then you can open up the Riot Games launcher, click on the League of Legends game. Now from here, just click on the account option you are seeing on the top. Now here you can see the settings, so just click on the settings. Now here you will see the option of repair. So once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your any corrupted files or any missing files in your game, and this can fix them automatically. You just need to wait for it until this was complete and then you have to just restart your PC. After the restart, your problem is fixed. And if your problem is not fixed, then you can try updating your operating system. You can go to the Windows tab at the update and try to update your Windows if there is any update available. Then, if your problem is not fixed, then I will recommend you to update your graphic cards. Open up your device manager or the AMD or NVIDIA softwares and simply update your graphic card. So after the update and if your problem is still not fixed, then you have to simply uninstall the League of Legends from your PC and then again reinstall it. So I will recommend you to uninstall it with the Ravo uninstaller. When you uninstall it with the Windows uninstaller, it's not going to completely uninstall from your PC. You have to simply download and install the Ravo uninstaller. When you uninstall from the Ravo uninstaller, it's going to completely delete from your PC. Then you have to reinstall it. So guys, this is how you can fix this problem, and if this solution work for you, so please make sure you like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.